Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety and awareness program. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan, safety trainer. Last so many days, I used to come here and give you the safety oriented classes. The first 10 video I have given you what is basic safety. Then I have given you about 20 videos on basic fire safety, then again 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we have come to an industrial safety and awareness program. Here also I have already given you some 16 videos. So last class was my 16th video, that is a confined space. What is a confined space and how many types, etc. Everything I had described on last classes. So this today I am not going to discuss any more thing about the confined space. So today again we are coming to the new subjects. What is a new subject mean? What is hazards? Whenever we are talking about the safety, many people used to tell you have to do the hazard analysis. So what is hazards and how many types are there? These things we are just going to learn today. Okay, what do you mean by hazard? Hazard means anything which can get harmful to you, or is a potential, the source, any source which is a potential of damage or harm to health. Such type of things are known as hazard. Anything that is, suppose you are working somewhere in the working at height, there is a is there chance of falling. Similarly, when you are cutting any job with any chisel or any other thing, if you are not properly cutting, there is a chances for an injury for your finger. Like that type of any work or any environment or any source which can get harmful, or it is a potential source which can adversely affect our health. Such things are known as a hazard. So whenever we are talking about the safety, we have to identify hazard, because as you know that the safety is a proactive approach. Proactive approach means first we are not waiting for coming to the problem. Before that we are going to take action. So first, if you are identify hazards and take appropriate action, then we can achieve the safety. So that's why this hazard identifications is very important when you are going for learning a safety. So let us understand what are the type of hazards, how many types are there. There are a lot of types are there, but what are the minimum, some basic types which are normally we are finding. It's that's only we are going to discuss today. That is, one is a physical hazard. Then physical hazard means something which we are going to get any harmful to our physical body. As an example, when you are just walking, suppose you have slipping or tripping or occurring, so that is physical injury is occurring. That is physical hazards. Some places, suppose the floor is a slippery type of a floor, so then you are getting over the physical damage, injuries in your when you are falling. Such type of hazard is known as a physical damage. Or suppose you are falling from height, that also a physical type of injuries. That is physical. Our body itself is getting an injury when because of the job or some some environment area. Such type of hazard is known as a physical hazards. Next, coming to the mechanical hazards. Mechanical, so many machineries are there. So if it has not properly guarded, so something, some figure or something can which can go enter there, cutting can be there. So mechanical, there are injuries which can occur due to mechanical equipment. Such type of hazard is known as a mechanical hazards. As an example, suppose one conveyor belt is there. That belt, if you are not properly and a guard is not there, so somebody is just walking there and it has entangled. Entangled means somebody's their cloth has been just tied up with that belt. Then there's a physical hazard is also occurring. That hazard which can be occur due to mechanical equipment. Such type of hazard is known as a mechanical type hazard. Industry, there are a lot of mechanical equipments are there. In very small industries to higher industry, different type of equipment, mechanical injuries can occur, possibilities are there. So that's another important area is mechanical hazards. Next one is electrical hazards. As you all of you know that when we are working with electricity, there is a lot of electrical hazards can be occur, like a shock can be occur there, burning injuries can occur there, and also sometimes a fall from the suppose person, those who are working in the or working on a post or any other thing, they when getting shock it can just fall from there. So such type of injuries are occurring because of the electrical working. So the main injury is a shock, and also just sometimes it can go to death also when the current is passing through our body, that if a cup very high there, then death can also occur there. Shock, spark, arc, and also heating, burning, all this thing can occur in while working with electricity. So that type of hazards is known as an electrical hazards. Now coming to the chemical hazards. So there are some chemical equipments or chemical when we are handling with some acid, alkali, or any other things also, that once it has been entered in our body, you get a skin trouble, or in your, or once it has been inhaled also, there is a lungs problem, you can get it. Such type of hazards are known as a chemical hazards, like alkali, acid, and also like gases is there, ammonia gases, similarly chlorine gases. Such type of hazards are occurring due to the chemical problems, chemical properties of the material. Then it is known as a chemical type of a hazards. Next one is a biological hazards. Biological means due to the virus and also bacteria, and also this small type of worms and other things. Biological hazards is getting when the suppose in machineries or anything, when we are keeping it there, this rat and other thing, they are just coming and cutting the wire. That is also biological type of hazards. So that is biological virus when we are acting to our body. Such type of hazards is a virus, infection, defection. All this comes into the biological type of categories. Next one is environmental hazards. The environment itself is polluted. Either so much of pollution is there, like dust, fumes, and etc. is there. So that will be getting harmful to working area. Similarly, lot of sound is there. Sounds and noise is there. That is also environmental noise pollution. That is environmental hazards. Again, sufficient light is not there. That is also coming as an environmental problem. So such type of hazards is also known as environmental hazards. So these are the major 6 hazards normally people are talking. But in addition to, there are so many other hazards also there. That's an ergonomics. Ergonomics means the person, those who are is fit for that particular job. The workstation should be designed such a way that that person can work comfortably in that places. Otherwise, what will happen means, as an example, suppose a computer operator, he is sitting 24 hours or 18 hours or 16 hours in front of a computer screen, and his eye gets strains. So similarly, his backache, he got some backache, pain and other. I mean, such type of hazards is known as ergonomics hazards. The man should be fit for his particular workstation. That way we have to design it. Ergonomics hazards. So the similar type of so many other hazards are also there. So many places. The organization hazards, psychological hazards are there. Suppose the people are working with very tension or stress in the jobs and other thing. So that is a stress psychological hazard. So like this way, so many hazards are there. So whatever the hazards which are normally we are finding in the industry, that only we have just explained it. That is physical hazards, mechanical hazards, electrical hazards, chemical hazards, biological hazards, environmental hazards, then also ergonomic hazards also there, and psychological hazards is there. Like this way, so many hazards are there. I hope that you got some ideas, so some knowledge about the hazards. In order to get a safety, what we have to do is we have to identify this hazard and eliminate this one. Then we can achieve the safety. Safety is a proactive approach to elimination. Find out the hazard and elimination of the hazard. I hope that you got some knowledge. And if you like this class, please share it and subscribe it and I will be coming with another subject on next class. Wishing you all of you a good day, Miss Happy, healthy, and safe day. Thank you for everybody for watching my video. Thanks.